In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau Prep Builder in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a data enthusiast looking to simplify your data prep tasks or a seasoned professional enhancing your toolkit, this guide will cover everything you need to get started quickly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Type Tableau Prep Builder into the search bar. This will lead you to the official Tableau website, where you can find all the resources you need for the download and installation. Click on the first search result to navigate to the Tableau Prep Builder page. Once the page is loaded, you'll see an option to start a free trial. Click on Start a Free Trial to proceed. This will redirect you to a page where you need to fill in a registration form. It's important to provide accurate information here, as Tableau will send you important installation and trial details via the email you provide. After completing the registration form, look for a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through these terms and then check the box to indicate your agreement. This step is crucial as it ensures you're aware of the software's terms and legal agreements. With the registration and agreement steps completed, you're ready to download the software. Click on the Download Free Trial button and your download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee in the meantime. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. This is usually found in your computer's Downloads folder, but it might be different if you've set a custom location. Double-click the file to start the installation process. This will prompt the Setup Wizard to launch. The Setup Wizard will guide you through the installation. Follow each prompt carefully, and when you reach the section on the license agreement, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions to continue. Simply check the necessary boxes to move forward. Continue following the prompts until the installation is complete. After the setup is finished, you'll receive a notification that Tableau Prep Builder has been installed successfully. You're almost ready to begin your data adventures. Now, you can launch Tableau Prep Builder. This can be done either from the Start menu, where you'll find it listed among your newly installed programs, or via a desktop shortcut, if one was created during the installation process. And that's it. You're now ready to begin exploring and preparing your data with Tableau Prep Builder. It's a powerful tool that will help you manage your data preparation tasks with ease. Thank you for following along, and I hope you have a great experience using Tableau Prep Builder. Happy data prepping!